Xiaomi X20 Plus versus Roborock S8. Which one is better? I'm going to compare the Xiaomi X20 Plus and the Roborock S8 to help you decide which one is better. Both vacuums offer powerful suction, LiDAR navigation, and mopping functions. But there are key differences. The Xiaomi X20 Plus is known for its affordability while still delivering strong suction power and efficient cleaning. It features AI obstacle avoidance and a high capacity battery, making it great even for larger homes. However, its mopping function is basic and doesn't offer vibration-based scrubbing. The Roborock S8, on the other hand, comes with a more advanced dual roller brush system that improves debris picking, especially on carpets. It also has a sonic mopping, which scrubs floor more effectively than traditional drag mops. The S8's stronger app integration allows for more precise control over cleaning zones. However, it's typically more expensive than the Xiaomi X20 Plus. If you're on a budget and need a solid vacuum, the Xiaomi X20 Plus is a great choice. But if you want a better carpet cleaning and an advanced mopping system, the Roborock S8 is the superior option.